To draw a spray bottle real easy, we're going to start with the twisty cap part. And that's a very gentle curve, and then 2 lines going down like that. And a very gentle curve there. And then we can put, those are the kind of the knurl bits that you use to get a grip on it. And then come in a little bit here. And then we're going to draw a curve out there. And then right at the edge here, we're going to draw a curve back there. This will go straight up there. Well, maybe with a bit of curve if you fancy. And then that will come down like that. And we can also maybe do a little extra sort of curve there. Now this comes forward and down and back. And then we want this little kind of, it looks like a letter C backwards almost. And a dot, that's where the spray comes out. 2 little bits like that there. And then we can also put a line there. And then this is where the handle is coming out from. That will come to about there. And then we want that coming down there and around like that. And then we've got a little kind of a tube thing there. And then that will go up there. And you can sort of make that dark inside. So that is the top. If you want, you can have a bit of a kind of extra curves and stuff like that going on in there. Bit of shadow there. Now let's draw the bottle. Bring that straight down and then down to there. Then we need to leave room for the sort of fingers to do the pressing like that there. That will come down to there. And then we'll join them together with a nice curve at the bottom. You're going to maybe have a kind of a bit of a moulding line going down like that. And we'll want a label stuck on there. Let's sort of do something like that with all the danger things and labels, and we'll put spray pro. Like that. You can put a little line there for the edge of the table and a little bit of shadow there to help put it on the table. And there you go, how to draw a spray bottle real easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to Shoot. Thanks for watching, and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel, and keep coming back for lots more drawing videos every week. In the meantime, keep drawing. Practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye-bye.